Hi learners! Do you know the English word bad? It can refer to this and also this. A word that has the same spelling and sounds identical to another word but has different meaning and origin is called homonym. In today's video, we are giving you a list of homonyms in Bahasa Indonesia. Before we start, do not forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you could stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's begin! The first one is bisa. The word bisa is used to show that someone is able to do certain things. For example, saya bisa menulis. But it can also refer to the venom produced by snakes, insects, or scorpions when they bite or sting. Don't you think it's dangerous? So, to say that snake venom is dangerous, simply say, bisa ular berbahaya. Number 2, bunga. When someone is going on a date or any special occasions to meet their loved ones, they would usually bring bunga. But in other contexts, bunga also refers to the interest you get for saving your money in the bank, or the extra charge you must pay for borrowed money. Next up, Malang. Have you heard about a city located in East Java called Malang? It is the second largest city in East Java and is known for its natural beauty. But you can also use the word Malang to express your sympathy towards someone or something that you think is unfortunate. For instance, you can say, anak yang malang, when you see a homeless kid on the street. The fourth one is rapat. Say you are having a meeting with your colleagues and your spouse suddenly calls you. You can say, saya sedang rapat, tolong telepon saya nanti. In another context, rapat is also used to describe two or more things that are really close to one another. Just like these two. Hey, jangan duduk terlalu rapat. The last one is tanggal. Do you remember when you were little and your tooth had just fallen out? It hurts, right? To tell someone that your tooth falls out, just say, gigi saya tanggal. You can also use the word tanggal to refer to the date. So, if you want to ask someone, what date is it? You can say, sekarang tanggal berapa? There you have it, a list of homonyms in Bahasa Indonesia. You can find out more about these homonyms in our blog, so be sure to click the link in the description. But wait, there are actually many other Indonesian homonyms we do not cover in this video. Do you know any of them? Share it in the comment section below. Do you find this video helpful? Give us a thumbs up and share this video to other fellow learners. Also, follow our social media accounts to stay informed about all LSI's updates. Sampai jumpa! Ya ampun, the struggle is on.
Yeah, you just scored it. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Oh man.
Papa! Oh my gosh!